is a balm in Gilead. It comes like wisdom, speaks like children. It's a sight to the blind and a strength to my weakness. It's something for soul, body, mind. There is a balm in Gilead. It's a rest for the weary, a song to the sore. It's the dew to my dryness that fills me with joy when I had none. There is a balm in Gilead. It's a spring in the desert for the withered of soul. It's a strength and a power that keeps making you whole. It's a question you're asking and the answers you need. It's the is a balm in Gilead. It comes like wisdom, speaks like children. It's a sight to the blind and a strength to my weakness. It's something for soul, body, mind. There is a balm in Gilead. It's a rest for the weary, a song to the sore. It's the dew to my dryness that fills me with joy when I had none. There is a balm in Gilead. It's a spring in the desert for the withered of soul. It's a strength and a power that keeps making you whole. It's the question you're asking and the answer you need. It's the face you've been seeking, the one you've been begging to see. There is a balm in Gilead. It's the trash and the remnants of all my train wrecks coming together and still heading out west like a blank paycheck that's paying off the back rent, taking me further to whatever's to happen next. There is a balm in Gilead. It's the light of the dawn. It's the scales without measure. It's the bread of a baker and the blood of a maker. It's the water I long for and the story on fire. It's the breath and the magic and the something to die for. It's the laying down of the shepherd at night. There is a balm